Chef Danish, welcome to Real Reviews.
Thank you.
What are you cooking for us today?
We are going to do some malai kofta and mean moili. They don't consume too much time, and it's the best way of celebrating Holi at home.
So, what are we cooking first?
Okay, we'll start with the malai kofta. We'll split it into three parts. One is the farce, which is a mix of some raisins, some mawa.
It's a roasted mawa.
Yeah, it's a brown mawa. Chironji, or charoli, and some cashews.
So, you use the word farce. What do you mean by that?
Farce is basically a mince or a mixture of various other ingredients.
And which go as filling in the kofta? So,
That's
the filling is basically called
the filling,
farce.
yeah.
Another name.
Name of the filling is farce. We'll first have boiled potatoes, some paneer.
So, when we take cottage cheese and potatoes, is it a particular proportion in which we take?
3:1. Paneer, which is about 3 parts, and 1 part of potatoes. Okay.
3:1.
Potato is more like a binder.
Okay.
So that the paneer doesn't crumble out.
Huh.
We're going to add some coriander and some green chilies, some chopped onions, some cumin powder, some coriander powder, little salt.
And then you'll mash it all up.
Yeah,
and make it
then
up.
we'll mix it all together.
Okay.
So I've added a little bit of green chilies and coriander to this. So I'm going to make it into small round balls.
I think there's some onions also in it.
Yeah, I've added some chopped onions as well. Roll it into small roundels, okay, and then take a more well kind of thing. And now I'm going to stuff it with the saffron, the mawa, the cashews, and the raisins. What we'll do is we'll fry them at a low heat.
Am I doing it correctly?
Yeah, maybe you can need to cover this and then go around. You just got to be a little gentle because otherwise the fire is going to
Come on.
Okay, we've already finished with the koftas. Okay,
Yes.
we need to rest them in the fridge for a little while so they get a little firm and they come out better when they're fried. For the gravy, we need some chopped onion, some
I think
yogurt.
finely chopped onions. So
Finely
well
chopped onion. Okay. We got some yogurt, we got some muggers, and we got some charoli. We're going to do these koftas now.
Okay.
The best way to try out is to make a small bowl and just throw it in the oil. If it flips up, okay, that means the oil is perfect. Slower than gently into the oil.
Okay. And now on low flame.
You can lower the flame. Set it aside.
What are we doing with the gravy?
Brown the onions a little. Best is to use some vanaspati ghee because
Okay.
it congeals better. Okay, we have some mace here, which is the outer covering of the nutmeg. We got some bay leaf, we got some cinnamon, we got some cardamom, and we got some clove. Okay, which I'm going to throw in. I like to take the flavors and remove the spices. Okay, so what I'll do is,
we get
once we have the flavors in the ghee,
Yeah.
then I'll put in the onion.
Okay.
So then the onion takes in the flavors of these spices. You need to understand what flavors you ultimately are looking for. So what we'll do now is we are going to fry the onions.
Now, Danish, if we had these spices there,
Right.
and then along with the spices, if we had roasted these onions,
Right.
don't you think it would have added more flavor and made the flavor more intense?
Well, all the flavors are already in the vanaspati. What this will do is, gravy is not going to be that close. To this, we'll add little yogurt and then blitz it together.
It gives a different texture to the gravy.
Right. I'm going to blitz it all together. Then I'm going to cook it at a very low flame so it doesn't turn crumbly. We have the paste ready.
Okay.
It's from that.
Yeah, it smells so good because of this roasted onions.
That's right. Do the gravy now. So we have a little vanaspati again here. We're gonna add little cumin seeds. I've made some paste out of this chironji
With little water.
with little water.
Okay.
And little yogurt. It's best not to mix the chironji with the magas because otherwise the paste turns grayish.
Okay.
Cumin seeds, a little bit of ginger, we'll add a little turmeric. We have the paste which we made
So you've
earlier.
added like about a teaspoon of ginger.
That's right. Maybe we can thin it down with a little water. We'll add a little bit of chironji as well to this. Obviously adding the salt as well. 2 teaspoons. And we'll finish it with a little cream as well.
Okay.
So, single cream. So add the salt to this. That's the thickness you want. Okay. I've added a little bit of chili as well to spice it up. You can make the koftas and then put the gravy separately.
Yeah.
Okay. Over the koftas, or you can just gently simmer them once.
So that the flavors go inside.
Flavors go inside the
koftas also.
okay. You can actually prep stuff in
uh-huh.
advance, and there's very little cooking time required.
Yes,
You can
noticed
make
that.
the the gravy and keep in advance. You can make the koftas and keep it in the refrigerator
So simmer it for how long?
for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
We'll roast the saffron a little.
Yeah.
It gives out a better color and flavor.
Okay.